we want to do is we want to take control of our brain, because oftentimes our brain controls us. How many times, ladies, have you been going in and getting ready to make some phone calls or do some particular piece of work, and you've realized, oh, I got to go switch the wash. That's more important. Or, wait a minute, there's dishes in the sink. You see, there's three main reasons why your brain will tell you to go do something else. It is either one, it is overwhelmed. So whatever task you've given it to do is overwhelming it for some reason. Number two, your brain lacks energy. It looks at those tasks that you have to go do in the office or business tasks, and it says, I don't have the energy for it, but I do have the energy to wash the dishes. Or number three, you are running on a routine, a subconscious routine that says that activity is scary. That activity is dangerous for my physical or my mental health, and therefore, it's better to go do something else. See, what happens is our brain controls us. A lot of what we do throughout the day, we run on routine, right? We don't get up in the morning and think, am I going to brush my teeth first and then go drink coffee? Or am I going to go drink coffee and then feed the dog? Like, we don't think about that. Most of us, we just run our routine. We go get our coffee, we feed the animals, we do what we do. We don't stop and think. Now, routines work to our favor, right? Because they're energy savers. We don't have to think about it, which means it doesn't take a lot of oxygen, glucose, and micronutrition to figure it out. It just does it. However, these subroutines or these routines of overwhelm and lack of brain energy, all of that or fear distracts us from doing what we need to do to move forward in our lives. So I'm going to give you this is my secret tip. This is your biggest tip to success. You want to know what it is? Think. Okay? It's really that simple. Actually, we do it through a specific exercise. So what I do in the morning, you're going to bookend your day with some mindfulness. But it's very focused thought, not clearing your mind of thought. It's focused thought. So in the morning, my husband oftentimes will make the coffee for us. We'll go sit down. I'm either sitting by a window if the weather's too bad to go outside, or I'm sitting outside. And I become 100% present, which means I haven't touched my phone, because this is the time from sleep to wake or into active brain waves is the most impressionable time of your brain, so you don't want to stress it out. But during this time, what you want to do is you want to do that deep breathing exercise, activate the prefrontal cortex. You want to focus on everything and be completely present. What are the sounds you hear? What are the sights you see? How is the wind blowing the trees? How soft did my dog feel? And then once you're completely in the moment, you're going to pick your 3 top intentions for the day. 1 personal, 1 relationship, because all success in life is based on relationships, and 1 business. The personal is going to be something like, maybe it's exercise. I'm going to exercise for 45 minutes today. Relationship, maybe it's I'm going to follow Brianna's advice and give my husband a 30-second hug before he leaves. Really make it intentional, right? The third is business, right? What am I going to do for my business today? I'm going to attack the email list. I'm not going to overwhelm it by saying I'm going to email these 6 people. I'm just going to attack the email list. Be simple so you don't overwhelm it. Now you're going to bookend your day with focused thought again, with your 3 top things you're grateful for, and you better make one of those things something about yourself. You are grateful about yourself, because ladies, when you do this, you will take control of your brain so your brain doesn't control you.